Hello there. Welcome back to my channel, Snips by Kelly. I'm Kelly, and tonight we're taking a break from my traditional 12 by 12 scrapbooking process videos to make some quick and easy tags for my yearly hot cocoa. Every year I make a creamy, dreamy hot cocoa that is so easy. It's a 4-ingredient cocoa, and I make it for our friends, neighbors, coworkers, and teachers, and they love it. It's some of the most sought after and the easiest recipe ever. There is 4 ingredients. I make 2 large roaster pans full, and in each roaster pan I put a 35.3 ounce can of coffee creamer. I put a 38 ounce can of Nesquik. I put a 64 ounce bag of non-fat dry milk, and between the 2 roasters I split a 2-pound bag of powdered sugar because each roaster gets 1 pound. You can sift it with a flour sifter, or you can mix it in a food processor, or you can just mix it really, really good with a wire whisk, and it is so creamy and good. Now it's time to make quick and easy tags, and I'm going to use our November-December season mix-ins. They don't look traditional Christmas, but there's that desert rose crisscross, there's a little wood grain, there's a sage leaf with a sage circle, there's a really fun toffee pattern, and I think these patterns are going to be so cute with the cocoa. And I'm going to pull in a couple things. One is our tabs and tags thin cuts that have been around forever but are still available on our shop site, and they make quick and easy tags. And I'm just going to make a variety of tags out of those season mix-ins, out of those patterns. I think I'm going to make 10 tags real quick here tonight as my example. I love twine. I'm a rustic girl. I love twine, but you can use colored baker's twine. You can use white twine. You can use ribbon. You can use whatever you would like, but I love twine. And I just double up my twine, make a little loop, put the loop through the top hole of the tag, and hold the loop open and run the rest of the string through, and it makes a quick and easy loop, and I have enough of the twine to wrap around the cocoa. Then I've pulled in another oldie but goodie, Desserts All a Whirl, and it has this cute little coffee cup or hot cocoa cup, and it is so tiny and is so cute, and it fits on our tags. I love it so much, and I start to talk like a baby when I make them because they're just so cute and little, and I love them. So I'm making all of the tags, one in white and one in craft, and we're gonna fussy cut that apart and do a little bit of paper piecing. So there are so many gorgeous tags out there that people make at Christmas that just blow my mind, but I don't have that kind of time. I can't spend an hour on a tag. I need quick and easy tags and quick and easy gifts. And so I found over the years really go-to things that I do repetitively over and over so that I can mass produce. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out that little center portion of the craft coffee cup, and I'm going to put that on, and it just makes me feel like it's like a real coffee cup. I've even seen where you could emboss that piece with a striped embossing folder so that it has that corrugated edge. Then I found my teeny tiny short and sweet sentiments A1189 out of my stash, and they're so tiny. I have used these on so many things when you need a teeny tiny sentiment, and so I found the one in that. There's all kinds in there. There's birthday, there's Father's Day, there's welcome baby, and I love it, but I am using the happy holiday. And so I thought I would love if the plain coffee cup has a little bit of a peppermint stripe. So I dug through my stencils and I found just basic striped stencil, and I'm going to put that striped stencil on a diagonal, and I'm going to rub about half of my white coffee cups with desert rose over the striped stencil and about half of my coffee cups with sage over that stencil, and it's just going to give it a real playful, fun, warm holiday pepperminty vibe. And now when I put that craft sentiment over it, it's just so quick and easy. So I was able to put 3 pieces of pattern paper on the buildable tags and run that through my die cutter. So there's two tags, tags and tabs. So there's 2 tags, and I was able to do 3 pattern papers under each tag. So I was able to get 6 tags per crank. I was also able to get 3 coffee cups for each crank as well. And so it just goes so fast. You can crank those through your die cutter and adjust your die cutter. So I wanted to add a few festive leaves, just one little holly leaf and one little holly berry. So I pulled out the holiday banner stamp and thin cut, and I created the holly leaf on sage, and I'm going to stamp it in evergreen. And I created the berries on desert rose, and I'm going to stamp those in intense black. Now, there's some little berries on that stamp that you could, maybe use to stamp over, but I wanted quick and easy. So I pulled out our Colorista pencils, our Colorista Color pencils, and those are new colored pencils that launched in our brand new core catalog that launched this fall. We actually have 3 sets. We have Perfect Portrait, we have Natural Landscape, and we have Bright and Vivid. And out of the Perfect Portrait, I pulled a tawny brown, and I'm just coloring the dots super quickly with the tawny brown, and it just adds a nice little color there. They're very blendable colored pencils, and they're super affordable, and they're available in our core catalog. So now I'm going to, a little bit later, add some Stickles to those berries, but right now we're going to build the tag. So we're just going to add our cute little coffee cup to the tag. I'm going to add 1 holly leaf to each tag, and I'm going to add 1 set of berries to each tag. And as I was saying, I have watched people make the most gorgeous tags, and I'm in awe, like little window tags and glitter tags and layered tags. And when I get ready to do my quick and easy gifts, I literally have 0 time, and I want to look fabulous even when I want to look fabulous and put together even when I'm just like last minute Lucy every year. And every year I'm like, I'm going to get on this. I'm going to totally be with it. But I always somehow pull it off by throwing together quick and easy things that are festive and fun. And I'm telling you, this is a great cocoa recipe. Now I'm going to add some Stickles to those berries. Now be careful with glitter glue. It takes a long time to dry. So it wouldn't even hurt for you to leave these tags overnight and just let that glitter glue dry. That is the only downfall. It's so economical. It's so pretty, but it does take time to dry. It just makes it look so, so nice. So now I'm going to come back in with a clear shimmer brush and add just a little bit of shimmer brush to the leaf. So these are so, so simple, but I think they're just enough. Added to the cocoa is just a gesture, a nice little handmade gesture that really takes no time at all. And even that cocoa, I dump it in, and then I store it in an airtight container. And anytime I want a little gift for a teacher, or a grandchild needs a gift, little gift for someone, little church gifts, then I make these little Avery labels. I said warm winter wishes from the Fitzgeralds, add 1/3 cup mix to 1 mug hot water, and for best results, add marshmallows and a friend. And that way they know how to add the cocoa to the water mix. And there you have it, my quick and easy cocoa that's creamy and good. I have used cocoa instead of Nesquik, and if I do use regular baking cocoa, then I add more powdered sugar, but the Nesquik is super creamy, and it's a great recipe. So I hope you enjoyed my lazy way, my quick and easy tags, and my quick and easy cocoa, and you've enjoyed this video. Won't you hit subscribe, like, share, and shoot me a comment, because it really keeps me going when sharing videos on YouTube. There you go. Thanks so much.